welcome to episode 7 of Spilling the Tea. My name is Tisha Doriana, and I help passionate and driven network marketers better connect with their audience through social media, all within a loose leaf tea and wellness company. I post a brand new video each and every Wednesday on my Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, so make sure you guys tune in. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 7 booking ideas for network marketers. So once you kind of get through that warm network, sometimes it's really hard to keep going and getting new parties and new party hosts. So I'm going to be giving you guys some ideas for that so that we can get those booking chains going, keep getting bookings off other bookings. So I have a ton of ideas for that. But if you are looking for ideas on how to expand out of that warm network, out of that like family friend circle, make sure you guys go back and watch episode 6 because I talk all about that there. Okay, so my first idea for getting new bookings on the calendar is simply finding a reason to reach out to people. Sometimes people think it's so simple to just put up a post and say, hey guys, I need party bookings, who wants to host? And that just doesn't cut it. You need to reach out to people and you need a reason to reach out to people. So here are some things that you could think about. Do you have any monthly specials happening? Think about these specials and what's in them. Do you know someone who would absolutely love these? That's your reason to reach out. You're gonna go reach out to that person and you're gonna say, hey Tisha, I just wanted to let you know that we have this awesome special this month. I know how much you love blank, so I thought I would share this with you. Are you interested? And just ask them a simple question to that. That's an easy way to reach out, especially when you know it's something that they love. Another reason to reach out is when you guys get a new catalog with your company. So if you know someone, a customer who absolutely loves the catalog, maybe they haven't hosted for you before, that's your reason to reach out. Hey, how's it going? Hope you're still enjoying your products. I just wanted to reach out and let you know that we have a brand new catalog. Do you want to check it out? And get them to check it out first. And then if they start making this big wish list, what you want to do is ask them if they want to host a party for you. And then another reason to reach out to them is if you guys get a new product. Maybe there's, a brand new product of, maybe it's a certain flavor of a product that someone really loves. Make sure you let them know. You reach out to them and let them know, like, hey, I wanted to let you know about this new flavor that just came out and I know how much you love it. Not sure if this is something that interests you. Just wanted to, send it your way and see what they say. And you know what? Once you have an idea of what your reason is going to be to reach out to this person, whether it's a follow-up, maybe it's a follow-up and they've received their products before and you haven't followed up yet. You got to make sure to follow up so that you can ask them about that booking. But what you want to do is follow up with your maybe laters, the ones that are like, maybe later, I'll let you know. If you have a reason to reach out, you could say, hey, I knew that you mentioned you might want to host later on, and I just wanted to let you know that we have a brand new catalog or we have a brand new special. I don't know if it interests you, but here it is. Let me know what you think. And just find a way to reach out to them. You always have a certain reason to reach out. Okay, my second booking idea, this is for inside your parties if you're having them, is to offer a host booking gift. So you tell your host this at the beginning of their party and you also make a post in your party about it. So this is basically if you get 2 party bookings off of the current party that you have going now, you're going to give the host a gift. And you will be surprised, guys, how many people want to help out their host. So they have a party just to help out their host with getting that prize. And not only are you going to get more parties from that, but you are also going to have your host working for you. You might not even have to talk to them. They're, the people invited to the event has a relationship with your host and not so much you all the time. So having your host do that work for you and, getting one of their friends to book a party, that's going to incentivize your host, and it's also going to bring you more people to book on your calendar. So idea number 3 is to utilize the poll feature on your Facebook and Instagram stories. And this isn't a poll that's going to say, do you want to host a party? Yes or no. First of all, when you have a poll, you need to have 2 positive answers. You don't want a negative answer in there. You just want 2 positive answers. So for example, you might say something along the lines of, which item would you rather get for free? And maybe this is 2 of, the hostess specials, or maybe it's just a product in your catalog that, if they have a qualified party, you're willing to give them that for free. And then your options can be yes and heck yes, or yes or send me more details. So it's 2 positive answers that whatever they answer, regardless, you can go check out what they put on that poll and send them a message afterwards and say, hey, I saw you voted that you might want, this item for free. I actually have a deal going on that anyone who hosts a qualified party this month, I'm going to give them that gift completely for free. Is this something you're more interested in? And you're going to get more parties that way. And if you have the one that says more details, you could send them a message and say, hey, I saw you wanted more details on how you can get this specific item for free. Or maybe it's an item at a discount. It doesn't have to be free, right? Like if you have a host special and it's like you get 60% off an item or something, who would want this, specific item for 60% off? Yes, send details. And whatever one they click, you can reach out to them, give them the offer, give them more details, and see, if they want it or not. And a lot will probably not want it, but the more people that don't want it, the more people that will. Because if you never ask, the answer is always no. So these polls are super vital in helping you really grow the bookings on your calendar. Okay, number 4 is a really fun idea, especially when there's different holidays. So it's called Pick a Number, Win a Prize. So basically you make a graphic of a, say for Halloween, because Halloween is coming up. We have a graphic of 6 pumpkins and each pumpkin has a different number. So you say, pick a number and I'll message you with your prize. So you post this on your profile and people start putting numbers in, and then what you do, you just say messaged you send them a message, and then you have other graphics with, under pumpkin 1 is a free bag of tea. Pumpkin number 2 is free shipping on your order. Pumpkin number 3 is, a free whatever you want it to be, guys. But what you want it to be contingent on is that they host a party for you. So you say, it should say something along the lines of like, when you host a qualified event, receive the bag of tea for free, or receive the free shipping or discount or whatever you want to do. But this is so much fun because you could theme them for the holiday. For Christmas, you could put little like ornaments and say pick an ornament, win a prize. For whatever, Valentine's Day, you can put a bunch of different hearts. So it just gets people involved, and people always want to see, oh, I wonder what my prize is going to be. So have a prize, but have it contingent on a party and say, I'm going to give you this completely free when you host a qualified event. Do you want to, take the deal? I've seen people also do this with like the deal or no deal cases. So they say pick a number and win a prize. So they pick, case number 5, and then they say, case number 5 is, you could earn this when you host an event. So if you could have a lot of fun with this, lots of different themes. It's a great idea to be able to talk to more people about bookings. Okay, so my 5th idea is party bags. So what you do is you get like these little gift bags from the dollar store, colorful, put pretty tissue paper in them. And what you want to do is put your host packs in them. So you could put like a catalog, an order form, whatever you include in your host packs, put them in all 3 of them, plus a little extra gift. So maybe just a little, product from the catalog or whatever. So you'll have that, and you're gonna have them all wrapped. You don't really show them what's inside. You just have the 3 bags, and you could do 2 things. You could post a picture of this if your business is through social media, or if you're doing in-home events, you could bring it to your in-home event. Okay, and what you're gonna do when you post this picture is say, I have 3 party bags to give away this month with, prizes in them or whatever. The first 3 people to book a date with me in this month gets to, keep one of the prize bags. So it's just a fun little way to get people interested, and people, like I say, people love surprises. So they'll, if they've been considering booking, that might just put them over the fence, and they'll be like, okay, now's the time, I want one of those party bags. So it's a really fun idea. Okay, idea number 6. This is one of my favorite. It is called Skip the Sale, Get the Booking. So basically what that is, it's pretty self-explanatory. You want to completely skip the sale and just go straight to the booking. So whenever people come to you with like an outside order, I get outside orders all the time. And if it's someone that hasn't hosted for you before, or maybe they have hosted but they just haven't in a while, I'll usually say, great, I could definitely order that for you. Just out of curiosity, have you ever considered holding your own party for whatever company you're in? It's completely free to do, and you could actually earn these specific products whatever they came to with their order. You can actually get these, you can earn these for free or at a real big discount. Is this something that you might be interested in? And see what they say. So, even though it's really nice to get that, immediate sale, and you're like, yes, I got a sale, think about getting that booking, how many more sales and people that you can meet that could lead to, right? So always skip that sale and get the booking. Okay, final idea. Idea number 7 is called a bribery basket. So what you're gonna do is get a real pretty basket. You're gonna put a range of products in there. You might even have some like coupons for free shipping, whatever you wanna put, a bunch of little things from your catalog. And so basically what you do is you either bring this to in-home events or post a picture of it online, and with it, you post your available dates. So you say, hey everyone, I'm looking to fill up my calendar for this month. Here are my available dates. If you book one of my available dates, you can pick whatever prize you want from the bribery basket. So it's just a simple way, again, to get people involved. It's kind of very similar to the party bag idea, but it's just a fun little idea that you could do if you're looking to get more bookings. Okay, so that concludes today's episode. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you guys got some great ideas from this episode to implement into your own business. So let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite, and if you have any other ideas, I always like to hear them. So put those in the comments as well. So I hope you guys tune in next week. I'll have new videos going out each and every Wednesday on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And my name is Tisha Doriana across all the platforms. And lastly, if you want to stay updated on all that's new with me, make sure that you never miss out on any of the trainings and get some extra resources and goodies from me. Make sure you subscribe to my email list. The link is in the description of this video, or if you're watching on Instagram, the link will be in my bio. So thank you guys again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!